Hello, good morning. I going to the record the video of a speaking exam from the university. I choose the boss 1 and the boss 3. In the boss 1, John wants to start a college in order to help improve his community. Do you think a student normally have this goal? Why or why not? In what ways could your university education help you to improve your community? Okay, I think many students normally having this goal because each person plans his life for their own benefit. Nowadays, for that someone make good action for another person. The person must love their community and try to do the good to the other persons because you want to know what they need and if you agree with their possibilities. Helps you get although the person is starting doesn't help the other for lack of generosity. The best way to help the community is with a college education, is teaching, because education is the basis for development of people in a pluralistic society. Sharing people, sharing space to integrate and participate in community project benefit from them. The question there was three are we heard about people overcoming social and physical challenge. What similar challenge exists in Colombia, and how could we overcome? And should anything we change to improve this situation? As a sample, I know a situation is that of an autistic boy who was born healthy person, but the babysitter dropped the baby on the floor, and the baby hit his head with soul because the child mother worked and she left him in a chair of a babysitter. Hence, the child began to have problems in their growth because it has a development disability, which affects verbal and non-verbal communication and social interaction, with affecting his feelings, and this evident before 3 years of age, which adversely affect school performance. For their parents, this have been difficult to carry as they have to learn how to raise a child vulnerable. The change begins with a search for respect for human rights. For this simple fact, to be human. Colombia citizens with rights and duties were compared to each of their needs and context and reality. The state to provide an effective provide support and responsibility of family and community. To do this, it is essential to focus action on those rights, pedagogic, and duties clearly, informing about the responsibility entities, mechanisms to counter citizen service programs aimed at people with disability and to the participation of the community organized. For me, this is what made us grow as people, have testimonials and example of life that make us think and realize that our problems can be addressed. If the solution we will find, we worry about funding.